basically I'm going to rig up for a static line. Oftentimes people will put an overhand knot at the halfway point on a bridle. What we're going to do for this one, we've actually included a little tie-in point, and it's hidden in here, hidden in this pocket. And so now there's our halfway point. We'll also use the takeaway system. I'm going to take one piece of brake cord and connect it to our takeaway system. And we're going to connect it through 2 Dacron loops here. 1, 2, and we'll do basically what we call a rigger's knot. It's a double overhand on the first, and then we'll lock it off with a square knot. So the red piece here is the anchor, and that's getting our connection to the first connection to the bridle. The second one typically will be at the same loop that attaches your pilot chute to your bridle. This pilot chute, what that does is that hangs your pilot chute upside down. So what I've done is I've put a special loop on this pilot chute. It's a little hard to see with black on black there, but I've got a loop here that we're going to put the second brake cord, and that's going to keep my pilot chute oriented kind of the way I want, which is top up, so as soon as I get some weight underneath it, it'll be inflated. It doesn't have to invert. So I will use that. I will go through the same place on the takeaway system, the same spot on the takeaway. Do the double overhand with a square knot on top or a rigger's knot. And now I've got one piece tied off at the halfway point on the bridle, the other one tied off at the end of the bridle, or in this case the actual pilot chute. I'm going to need one more piece that will go here. What this white piece is this is what's going to take the takeaway system with me. Okay, so when I get up to the railing, I will open this up, take it around the railing, close it, and that's pretty much a done deal. So I've got the railing secured. Right now as I jump, the first piece will break, second piece will break, but right now the takeaway system would just probably fall off the bridge because all the force is going that way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a third piece of brake cord, and I'm going to tie it to the white and then also to the top of the pilot chute here. And what will happen is as the first two break, it'll open up this red circle, and then the white piece will take the takeaway with me. The reason we use a brake cord here is in case any of this hangs up on the bridge, then it would break and I would lose the takeaway system. So it's really just an override lanyard so that we can take it with us. So I've got to go get a piece of brake cord. Okay, so then I'll take this third piece of brake cord, I'll take it around the white, and I'll just do the same knot. Double overhand with the square locking on top. And so now that's what's going to allow me to take the takeaway system with me, but I've got the capability of, if any of this gets stuck somewhere, that I can still be free from it.